I'm going to do end-to-end. Okay. I'm going to prepare end-to-end. So what basically do is I'm first totally I have these many steps. Okay. Totally 5 major steps we have to do. The first step is I want to push the code to Azure Git, and then I create a pipeline, build a pipeline. The build pipeline will give me artifacts, which is in a zip file in a Dropbox. From the Dropbox, I'm going to push that particular zip file into either Azure App Service or Windows VM with IIS. So our plan is not App Service. We are going to do with Windows IIS. Okay, so these are all the 5 steps we have to do. The very first step, what we need to do, we need to create a repo. Developer push the code. Azure repo Git will come. Once the developer push the code, the Git will get cleared automatically. Classic build pipeline. Artifacts will be dropped. Release pipeline, it will be deployed. This is the basic thing. For that, what you need is you need an Azure DevOps organization project, Git repository, Web API or MVC application. If you want Windows Server or Azure VM with administrator access, permission to create pipeline, service connection, release, and deployment groups. So these are all the prerequisites we require. And then first we are going to create a repository. To do a repository, go here, go to Learning Trends, Azure, first we are going to use DevOps here. Okay. Can you put people that to join in the groups? Ajit, Anjali, Ashok. So this is your organization. Okay. See this is my organization level. I have plenty of projects. Now in this, I'm going to create a project for us. Here I'm going to say eStore project batch 1000 final output. Understand my point? This is the project I'm going to create in the advanced. You come back, you see there are so many options. In that you're going to select a Git and the work item is basic, and then click. What will happen? A project will be created under IT Learn Trends organization. Now you see here under IT Learn Trends, there is a project is created or not? Say yes or no. Guys, please unmute and talk.
Yeah.
Please, guys, for a couple of minutes, I'm expecting everybody should unmute. It's my humble request. Hello. Am I audible? Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
Nothing wrong in that. Please unmute yourself.
Okay.
Ajit, Vivek, everybody. So here you create a final output. Understand my point? In the final output project, if you look into it, you see I have a repo and pipeline. Do you have a repo and pipeline? Yes or no? Say yes or no. You have a files, you have a pipeline. Now
Okay,
what I'm going to do with the same name, I'm going to create a folder. Under a D drive, I'm going to create a folder with the same name. Okay. And then refresh. You see the project file is created or not? Yes or no? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open a Visual Studio. Now I'm going to connect. The step 2 is I'm going to connect your Azure repo with this folder. For that, first what you need to do, you go to Git, clone repository, click on Azure DevOps. The moment you click on Azure DevOps, it is looking for a mail ID, Microsoft account, which is IT Learn Trends. I'm already configured. When you refresh, you see all the repos will be listed here. See, you got the under organization. You see these many projects are there. How many projects are there? So many projects are there. So which project is ours? Ours is this one, final output. Click on the Git and then click on this folder option. In this folder option, you go to the PC, go to your D drive. In that, you are going for final output, click OK. Now, this is the place where all your Git repository will go on sat. So click on clone. What will happen if you see in the folder of D drive, there is a VS folder will be automatically created, which is related to the Git. See, Git repository is created or not? Yes or no? Everybody. Yes or no? Dheeraj,
Right.
Anjali, Prasanna Kumar, Oram, everybody.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Once it has been done, now see, if you go to solution, it is tightly coupled with the folder with the Azure repo as well as the current folder. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to close the solution and close the Visual Studio. Now go back. I say there is a Narendra practice. Yeah, this one. I'm copying this project, the one which we are using. Okay. I'm going back to the PC. Go here. Which is the repo we created? This is the repo. Now just simply paste. This is the source code we built so far. No need to do anything. Just simply go here, do it. Done. Project is ordered. Now here right click, open a solution. The Visual Studio, you're opening the solution. It will load all the projects for and solutions to you. Now go back. You see project is loaded. Yes or no?
Right.
All the projects and solutions are loaded. Right click, clean and build. First, you are going to make sure nothing will be affected. Now, what do you need to do? To try to build a solution. After cleaning, you are trying to build the solution. Now, build succeeded. Try to run a project. When you run a project, it may have some port issues or some issues with the certificate. Let's see if that is clear, not a problem. Otherwise, I have to do a small change in the Azure. I think it is throwing error. That's it. See, the SQL client cannot open is not allowed to access the servers. Am I right or wrong? The IP
Yeah.
address is having a problem. So
Yeah.
what
Seems
you need to do, a small thing you have to do. What you need to do, go here, go to your Azure portal. In the portal, Under the database, you need to create a firewall. Go to your resource group. If you look into the resource group, you see this is the group where all your databases, everything will be available. You see, this is the database. Click on the database. You see there is a setup server file one. Click on that and come down, add this IP. Okay. Finally, just add an IP. Click on save. You're enabling a firewall for the server. Okay. Once you enable the firewall, try to run a project, it will work. For the database, you are creating a firewall. Every folder will have a different firewall access so that you are enabling the firewall, adding a new firewall to that. I will delete all the firewalls later point of time. Right now, I'm using that firewall because I don't want to waste the time of SQL Server. Now you see, project is logged in.
Yeah.
Sir, no? Everyone, Dheeraj, Anjali. Now come back here, admin, test at 1, 2, 3. Now see, the products are created. Now you see the product is available. Create a product. I say Samsung laptop. I create a description, Samsung laptop description, and say brand is Samsung, laptop is there, or do you have any other thing? Simply say tab, file. I'm taking this logo. Guys, am I audible? Srinivas Rao, Vivek, Vishal, Ashok, Anjali,
Correct.
everybody.
Yes, sir.
Now click on sign out. Now close the application. Say this repo, whatever we are having is working fine. Am I right? The solution, whatever we are having is working fine. Now what I'm going to do, go to the Git. You see all the files are available. Just right click, ignore local item. Now what happened? I'm ignoring the unwanted things. So here also I'm ignoring local item. Now see the proper project folder structure is available here or not? Yes or no?
Yeah.
I'm not storing anything. I'm just having everything properly. See, under the catalog, I have everything. Is it a proper solution? Is it a proper solution or not? Now, you are going to say new store branch created. And then you are just going to commit locally and then commit all. And here also you are going to say new store branch committed. Okay, you are saying commit all. What will happen? All the changes in the commit will go here. All the code which is related to the eStore is committed locally. See, you have 2 commits and then click on push. It is trying to write the object into the Git. It is writing all the objects so that in the Azure repo, you can able to see the code. So far, everything is perfect. Say yes or no.
Yeah, that's good.
Say writing the object. That means it is uploading the source code into the Azure repo. Done. Now, go to the browser, go to here, summary, go to repo. You see, project is created. Did I created a project or it has automatically created a project through Git? It got everything right? Yes or no?
Yeah, through push.
Everyone. Hmm?
Through push.
Through push. You see the history? Restore branch commit, restore branch, restore branch created, restore branch committed. So what will happen? Everything is comes. Now, the next step is into the project final output. You go to pipeline. Before you have to go and create a pipeline, what you need to do here, go back to your resource manager, and then you go and create another resource, which is a unique for you. Here I'm going to say restore underscore batch 1002 final output for the meaningful name, final output. Now in this final output, click on next. I'm not going to create any tag, next. Okay, so I'm going to create a, see, I created a resource manager or not? Say yes or no. Am I created a resource manager or not? Yes
Yeah.
or no?
Yeah.
Okay, now what is my resource manager name? Where is my resource manager final output? Where is that? And come down, scroll down, go, create a Azure data center, server, Windows Server Virtual Machine. Now see, you got a Azure Virtual Machine. Okay, you are creating a Azure Virtual Machine. Okay, just create. Which one you want? You want Azure Edition or a data center code? Which one is the best option? Let me see the record, Word document. Where is that Word document? Where we are creating a VM, build task, publish the application, enable continuous integration, app service, Windows VM. So, okay, it is automatically created, right? So I don't want to do that. Okay, fine. So I'll go and create what server is best. Let me go and check with the other places. Where is Narendra? Okay, my demo. What is the server we created? Virtual machine configuration. So I want to understand. So you see, Windows Server 2025 data
Data
center
center.
we have to use. Copy this, go back to your resource manager, go back to here, create Windows Server. It should be 2025. This one only, right? Yes, this one only. Now, once you've done this, you say here store batch 1002 final. This is the machine name. Okay, now come down. Don't do anything. Everything will be automatically taken care. What you need is you go and say here store admin module. Okay, don't say anything. You are going to deploy only the store admin module. I'm going to use a password. Done. Now come down in the RDP. You see the inbound ports. Select this, select HTTP, HTTPS. After that, don't select anything. Just click next, 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 next. You no need to add any disk. Next, no need to add any network. It automatically creates a network with the public IP. See, public IP is auto created. Okay. And then you see all the ports are available. And next, don't do any management. Don't do any monitoring. Advance is not required. Tax is not required. Create review. Now what will happen? It will review the entire information. Just wait for a couple of minutes. It will take time to finalize. See, per hour, this is the dollar we are going to credit for subscription. Okay. Now come down. You see pay as you go. Everything is there. Click on create. What will happen? Under that particular resource group, a new mission will be created. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. See, it is trying to deploy the mission. See, Windows mission is created or not? Yes or no, ma?
Right.
Just wait for a couple of minutes. It will deploy everything. Under the resource group, you will get everything. Anybody have any questions? Ajit, Akil, Anjali, Prasanna, everybody. Do you have any questions?
It is a normal configuration virtual machine, right? Normal,
Yes.
very normal, very basic.
Very, very basics.
Okay.
We can't go for big one.
Okay.
For a practice purpose, servers are same only. Configuration will be heavy. Okay, this is the basic configuration mission.
Yeah.
Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Once the deployment in progress, a mission will be ready for you.
Okay. That all the configuration, this virtual, like how much space and all, where we can see that one.
I will tell.
Okay.
See, deployment succeeded. Wait. Your deployment is succeeded. Now go to the resource group. You see, I have a mission final is created. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Public IP for the mission is created. Virtual network is created. Network interface is created. And OS disk also created for that particular space of the machine. And final output. When you click on that, what you are asking? Hello?
This space and all. Okay.
Space. In the
Right
virtual
side.
machine, you see here machine name. Huh?
Above space and all, it was there. Yeah, got it.
Where is this one, right?
Yeah.
This is RAM.
Okay.
This is not a space.
Okay.
Okay. This is the operating system. This is a RAM. 4 GB RAM. Okay. That is not a space. That is a RAM. Space, it will be available. See, this is the size of it. And you see there is an image detail. You see the disk space. Okay. OS disk space you are having, right? So this is the space. It will have everything. Even you can have a health monitoring. You can enable. You can have security enable. Everything you can do. Now what I want to do, I'm going to connect this machine. Before that, I can refresh this page so that that stuff will go out.
You said health monitoring, right? It is a server health or application health?
Server health.
Okay.
This is server mission what we have created. For that mission, we are having an health monitoring.
Like,
Okay.
for example, peak time, why I asked is similar kind of work we are doing in our support application. Sometime it will reach the threshold threshold of the server. We can
Hmm.
increase the space or memory or RAM for that particular the task. Today I did it in my day to day activity. Actually, every day for morning EST time, our server was going very low. Like, yeah,
See,
suddenly,
problem, I
yeah.
understand, Akhil. So basically, whenever the server go down, we should have a data log. Okay. Data log or Redis some cache will be there.
Mhm.
Okay, it will keep on monitoring it, health monitoring system that whenever the servers are go down, AWS team will, people who are maintaining the servers and all those things, they will take care.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to tell the team to take care.
Okay. I also did same thing. The engineering team, I raised the issue. They have increased the resource for that particular server.
Yes, yes, they have to do that
Mhm.
because their responsibility to maintain the infrastructure. So they will take care of all those things. But for you as an application team, they need to provide a dashboard. Whenever it is go down, it has to be
Yeah.
intimate through emails.
Yeah. No, incident it was raising.
No, no, no. Before it rising the incidents, it will be intimated through email. Once it is a major issue, it will immediately raise an incident with that particular Jira ticket,
Correct.
infrastructure Jira ticket.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
everything will be automated by infrastructure team who are maintaining AWS cloud infrastructure. They will take care of it. Okay. Akhil, you are in mute.
Yeah. Got it, Narendra.
Fine. After that, you go and connect to see. I got a Windows server with the VPN, local IP, and public IP. See, this is my public IP. With this public IP, I can able to connect the machine. Now come down, you click on RTP. What will happen? A server machine RTP will be downloaded. You connect the server with this and say the password what I created. Once you're loaded, you have to wait for 3 to 4 minutes. It will configure everything. Let's wait for the profile and everything.
Sir, how the cost go for this VM?
Per month, it will be per hour, it will be 0.020 cents. If you go for per day, it will be a $1. Monthly, it will be a $30,
Okay.
which is almost 2,400 rupees.
And it is like pay as you go, so it is shut down, then that is also considering.
No, for VMs shutdowns and all, it will not happen. You have to immediately close it. You have to delete it from your network
Okay.
because you're utilizing their resource. Even though if you're shutdowning, it is allocated to your name, right?
Yes.
So it is part of yours only. Whether you shut down or you are accessing, that is not the Azure subscriptor issue. It is an issue with you only, right?
Yes.
So we need to be careful when we are handling.
Okay.
Now you see here, I have a local server and normal server. It will take some time to load it. Just wait for a couple of minutes. The load features will not added. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Click on future. See, server is collecting all the data and wizards. Okay, wait for 2-3 minutes. It will complete everything. And I will configure IIS first in this mission. Still let us go loading. Backend, it will create all the roles, everything. Okay. So we have to wait for it.
Yeah.
See, now it comes. Click on next. Just select the role-based feature installation, and then you click on next. Oh my God. Yeah. Now previous. You see the server selection, the machine it is selected. Click on next. Scroll down. You see web server IIS. Are you able to see a web server IIS? Yes or no?
Mm.
So select. You are going to include the IIS manager, and then click next. Don't do anything. Don't install anything. Everything will be taken care by IIS manager. Just click next. You see what are all the things is required for IIS. Everything will be automatically added. Just click install. Wait for a couple of minutes. It will get installed. The moment it get installed, what will happen? IIS has been configured in this machine. Yes, it will take another 40 to 50 minutes. Please stay back.
For all the virtual machine creation, it will take this much time.
No, you have to enable. Yes. No, no, no. I'm not talking about machine creation, end to end. I'm talking.
Okay. Okay. No, even the some features are installing, right? It will take this much time only.
No, if your RAM is 16 GB or 32 GB, it will do it immediately. Right now, I'm having only 4 GB RAM, right?
Okay. 16 GB if you are means it will quicker.
1632, it will be very fast. Quicker.
Oh, okay.
But I can't right? Opt for it. Meanwhile, let's see. Today at last time I did something. Let's see how things are going. Go to Narendra, into pipeline, to releases, as error, auto failed. Why? What failed happened? Download logs. Okay, but artifacts is moved. Yeah, download it, drop. Okay, fine. Deployment happened, succeeded. Finalize job, clean the option. Okay, fine. I understand. We'll do that. For a different website, binding is the problem. Change the port and retry the operation. Binding issue already exists for a different website. Restore. This is a problem. We'll do that. We'll fix this issue. Go back to the project, learning trends. Go to this is the solution where we have. Go to repo. Let's go to the VM. It's done. Yeah, it's done. Now close, restart your machine. Go here, restart. Okay. Now go back. Click on the machine, RDP, connect. It will take some time. System must to restart. See, now system has been restarted. Now system is logged in. Let the server manager load everything. I have local servers and everything. Okay. Just close this and go and check inet. MGR. See, you got the IIS, ma? Yes or no? You got an inet MGR? Please confirm. In this, you have a default website. Right click, manage website, browse. You see here, start without data, continue, start browsing. Now see, you got the IIS server. Properly IIS server is installed or not? Yes or no?
Yeah.
IIS is working. Close this one, close this one, open your Chrome Edge. Just go and download a Chrome. Chrome download PC. Google Chrome. Just start downloading the Chrome because it's the very best option to go and do the download Chrome. So download. Thanks for downloading. So Chrome setup is downloaded.
Why
Open a
we
file.
need Chrome?
Huh?
Why we need the Chrome?
No, it's the best way to do. That's why I'm doing. Not required.
Yeah.
For me, very faster. That's why. Okay, anyway, close it. I don't want. If you don't want, leave it. So here, first I need to download .NET Core 8.0 hosting bundle download. So I want to download the hosting bundle. Whenever you host anything, you have to go for .NET Core 8.0. Now click on here. What will happen? The hosting bundle will get, not this one. Scroll down. You see, I have a .NET download. Click on that. In the downloads, you see there is a hosting bundle. Yes or no? Everybody, you come here. You first download the .NET Core hosting bundle. Now see, the hosting bundle is downloaded. Open file. Try to install the .NET Core first. Don't see, after installing the IIS, the second subsequent step is you need to install .NET 8.0.29. Install.
Sir, this is for VM, and for normal machine also we need to install this, or only SDK?
No, for a local machine you no need, but for running the virtual machines with the CI/CD pipeline, the environment should be .NET, right? So you need to install the hosting. Okay. Once you've done that, close it, go back, restart your machine. It's a basic things we have to do. Okay. Restart. Thank you. Go down, take on this, wait for the machine to be restarted.
Server, we don't need SDK, right? Because we
Okay.
need the runtimes.
See, for running the .NET
SDK,
application, you need a runtime, right?
Yeah. For SDK, only for development purpose we use locally.
Yes.
On
You are
server,
right.
we don't use that. Yeah.
Okay.
See, for SDK, when you are doing a development, you require an SDK. Okay. When you are building the project alone, you need a hosting bundle. I am done. Now what I am going to do, I'm closing everything. Okay. Now go to inet mgr. Click on IIS information. Go here. In the websites, you see I have a default website now. Yes or no? Say yes or no. You have a default website or not?
Yes, sir.
So what I'm going to do, go to my folder. In this folder, go to network or PC, go to C drive, inetpub, root. I'm going to delete both. Understand? Am I deleted or not? So IIS will not work.
Yeah.
You see, right click, manage, browse. It will throw error. It say nothing is there. See, no files are there. Fine. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going here, add application pool. I say eStore. And then here I say no managed code. Click OK. Stop, start. Now right click, advanced settings. Instead of using a default pool, you go and use a eStore pool. Click OK. Click on OK. Now click on an application pool. See, the application is running which one? eStore pool. In this site, I'm going to deploy my .NET DLLs. So go here, under the PC, under the C drive, under the inetpub, under the root folder, I want to deploy packages. So minimize this, open a Microsoft Edge, stay here, Azure, portal. Now within the VM I'm doing, I'm not going out, okay? Login, sign in, IT Learn. The project where I'm going to use it, IT Learn, friends at gmail.com. Enter. Sync. IT Learn, friends at gmail.com. Next, it will ask me a OTP from the email. Sign into your code, right? Send the code. So what will happen? I will receive a code in my email ID. Yeah. Yeah, 1048. 595157. And just simply say sign in. And set this account everywhere on your device. Next. It will again send a code to configure. Send the code. Again, I'll get a one more code. See, I got a portal.azure. The entire Azure has been logged in here within a virtual machine. Everybody, please say yes or no.
Yeah.
Guys.
Yeah.
Now, you see there is a ... Click on a cloud menu. You see there is a DevOps. Click on the DevOps. You see, I come up with my DevOps. Yes or no? I want answer from all of you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Click on a final output. Now, you see the branch, whatever I'm having here, will be available in the virtual machine. Yes or no? I
Yes,
don't
sir.
need to do anything. Within a machine, I'm going to do pipeline. Create pipeline. You see, in this, you are going to use a classic editor. And in the classic editor, you are going to say master. You see, this is my project. Under the project, my repo is this. Under that, I'm having a master branch. Continue. Now in this, I'm going to use .NET Core. You see, there is a build and test .NET Core web application. Yes or no? Please confirm.
There are two options, right? .NET Core and .NET Framework.
So we are going to use .NET Core. Okay. This one we have to use. You should not use this. You should use this. Apply. Now when you apply, I have an agent. I have a restore. I have a build. I have a test. I have a publish. Now I'm going to select this. Remove, because I don't want to do any stuff. Let's do one by one. Here, the very first thing, let me do one thing. I take a Word document. Where is that Word document which I opened here? So where this document is available? Under download. So go back. Copy this. Go to the server. Simply paste. so that I don't want to go out. See, the document is coming here. Open. What? Nothing is there. I can't do the document.
MS Office is not there, I think.
MS Office is not there. Let's see,
Yeah,
open with Notepad.
we can't do that.
Super. Okay. Okay, leave it. Let's open the document here. Now I'm ready with my VM. Now what I want to do, I want to go and do all these configurations. So first what I need to do, select new pipeline. Go here. So you got everything. This one is done. Azure Git report, project, everything is come. Agent pool, this one we have to do. So before you have to do for template, choose empty job. Okay, let me do one more time. Go here. Let me crash this pipeline. Leave. Okay, let it be. Let me do here in the local. Just go pipeline. Click on create pipeline. Now what they're saying, go to pipeline, select new pipeline, choose classic editor, select Azure Git resources. So here, select the classic editor, select the Git. Now what I'm saying, repository, click continue, apply the ASP core templates. Okay, continue. Now what is the template they're using? ASP, apply the ASP core .NET core template. Now go here, search for this. Now you got the ASP.NET core template, apply. Now every template, you required a configuration. Everything you have to do a configuration, except I'm going to remove the test. I want to do a configuration for this. I want to do a configuration for this. I want to do a configuration for this. Everything I have to do a configuration. So what is the configuration? Let's do. Once you've done that, Azure Pipeline, Windows latest, agent pool, agent specification, build configuration. So what is your agent pool? This is your agent pool. Now click on Azure Pipeline. Agent specification is Windows latest. Let's see. See, I have a Windows latest and build configuration variable. Where is that build configuration variable? Here I'm going to say agent as restore agent. Restore batch. I'm going to specify the name, agent name, batch 1002 agent. You got the agent, ma? Agent name is created or not? Say yes or no. Guys, I want answer.
Yeah.
I want answer from every one of you. Can you all unmute? Akhil, Anjali, Dheeraj, Prasanna.
Yes.
Anjali, Dheeraj, Prasanna, Srinivas Rao, Vivek Vishal.
Yes,
I want
sir.
answer from all of you. So here I given an agent and come down, you are having a Windows. Don't do anything here. No need any dependency, nothing. Go to restore. Here in the restore, you need to connect the Azure Resource Manager. What is your resource manager? This is your resource manager. Click on authorize. You will log in with the Azure. You are confirming which system you are going to use it. Now you will get another code. Yeah, I got a code at 1056. The code is 930205. 930205. Now it is authorizing. It is authorizing the command. Now see, you got authorization pay as you go, right or not?
Yeah.
See, you are having a restore in the display name. What they are saying in the restore. First use restore NuGet. Task is .NET Core restore NuGet package display name. Restore NuGet packages. Okay, and you are connecting the machine, and the project is start.start. So this is the project. I'm going to have a path of the solution. Are we passing any arguments? No, we are not passing any arguments. Now come back. The next one is build the application. So this is your build. In this build, the display name I'm going to give is task name is .NET Core. Okay. The name display name is .NET Core. So it is going to display. Now I have to set the subscription. I selected the subscription. Okay, and then command is build. Now you see, I'm using a command as build, and then the location is this one. And finally, you are going to use a build configuration -no -restore to copy as it is. Okay, the argument you are going to pass is something like this. Don't do anything. Understand my point? Everybody clear?
Okay.
So what will happen? This .NET Core try to build the configuration without restoring it. Okay, now build is done. Now what is the final stuff? After builded, you need to run a restore. I don't want to do that. Okay, leave it. Now come down. I'm going to publish. I'm going to publish the artifacts. So go here. In the publish, what will happen? My task name, .NET Core, display name is publish web application. Can I say publish eStore application? Say yes or no? This is the right name. Come on, guys. Add an answer. Hello. Akhil, Ajit, Anjali, everybody.
Yes, sir.
So you are going to say here, publish eStore application, and come down. You are going to use your resource manager. This is your Azure Resource Manager. And then you are going to have a building configuration output. You see that this is the right way. You take this one, copy, paste. Done. Now come down. Zip published project is enabled. And add for project folder name to publish path disabled. So remove this. Okay, I don't want this. I'm going to do only these two things and no need any stuff and all. Finally, you are going to have a
No, task
task
you have to check.
publish build artifacts. In
No,
this
hello.
publish, yeah.
In the publish restore also, you need to change the task. Actually, it's
Come again.
in this step, whatever the step you have selected, right? There also the task you need to select a .NET Core.
Yes.
Version is correct. I mean, version 2. I mean, that is.
No, task version is 2.0. Yeah, that is not you are going to worry. Task version is automatically taken care.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to use this part. Okay. Now come back to the, once the publish is happened, you are going to get the artifacts. What is your display name? No need to do anything. Simply display name publish. To take this artifacts place, copy. It's already there, but still you go and do it properly. And then artifact name is drop. And then artifact publish. Where I have to publish? Is it a file share or Azure pipeline? You're going to say that Azure pipeline. Now everything is done. Okay. Everything is done. Then go to triggers. In this trigger, you are going to enable continuous integration. The moment you enable continuous integration, include master. And then go back history. You see some issue are there. What is the issue?
Agent specific unit.
Agent specification. So click on this. So in which machine, in which agent you are going to create a project. So here, Windows. You go and choose a Windows machine. Latest. Save queue. Now see, pipeline is created and save the command restore pipeline created. Okay, then save and run. Now see, the agent is going to be installed. It is done. It is installing. Job is running and creating an artifacts. So once we done this, tomorrow we are going to do the deployment. It required 2 hours of time, so that's why.
So after this, what's the next plan? I mean,
No, artifacts will be created. That artifacts, we need to go and do a deployment in the machine. You need to configure the machine. You need to register.
No, I'm asking about the batch. I mean, after this CI/CD, what will be the next?
The next is I'm going to deploy the Web API in Docker. This application, I'm going to do it in Docker, and then we do the development starts. So that you guys can go ahead and attend the interview. No need to wait for me to complete everything. All that predators. Now see, the restore nugget package is over. Now SDK is trying to run your command of build. See, the build is working. It is trying to build the project. One by one, it is building. Catalog model is built, catalog repository is built, now catalog project admin is built. Everything it is get built. Model repository service is built. brand service, mappers, everything is trying to build. See, now async command, start detected, everything finished. Now what will happen? You see the artifacts produced? Say yes or no. You
Yes,
have an
sir.
artifacts. How many of you say?
Yes, sir.
Click on this, go drop, zip file will be created. Now go to the zip file. You got the project. And guys, once the build is succeeded, you will receive an email. I will show you the email. Gmail. See here, build succeeded. Yes or no?
Yeah.
I got an email or not?
Yeah.
So this is how I'll get an email from the Azure saying that I'm taking a master branch and final output. It has been executed with the ASP.NET Core CI, continuous integration. Okay. Now the integration has been completed. I'm going here, open the download of zip, show in folder. Now see, entire download is there. In this, you go and take the publish folder. Where is your publish folder? Publish, no publish. Okay. Okay, fine. So this is the code I'm going to store it in the DB. This is the code I'm going to publish into my virtual machine. Now I completed artifacts. Am I right or wrong? I completed everything. Continuous integration is completed. Everything is completed. Now what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a deployment to, not now. I'm going to do a deployment for the virtual machine. How I am going to do a deployment for the virtual machine? First, what I need to do? I need to do ASP.NET Core Bundle and Web Server. I did both. Now let's go to the pipeline, go to the deployment group, register the virtual machine. For that, you go here, you see there is a deployment group. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Do you have a deployment group or not?
Yeah. You can see that.
Click on the deployment group. First, what I want to do is I need to register the pool, available pool. These many pools are there. I don't want to connect any pool. Go to groups, add a deployment group. I say the group name is eStore underscore 1002 underscore final. Okay, create. Now, whenever I create this, you see there is a script. I got it. Yes or no? I got a script. Confirm me. Everybody. You got a script or not? Guys, please answer.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Select this, copy the script in the server, use a PowerShell. In the PowerShell, paste the command. So I got everything, right? Just click enter. Now wait for a couple of minutes. See what will happen. A new agent will be created. This agent associated with your machine. Okay. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. It will run few more things. I will show you. This is my PowerShell window. See, pipeline is configuring. Say yes or no. Azure pipeline agent is created and committing with that, it is connecting to the server. Now here, you say simply enter. Now here you say simply enter. Now what is your machine name, ma? What is your machine name? Now go here. Hey, what happened? It's gone, huh? Portal. Go to final. Where is your machine name? Connect. Yeah, this is your machine name. Copy this machine name. Go inside. Take the machine. Enter. This is the machine name I have to give. And I have to give the password of the machine, which I created. Now see, an agent which has a created for you. Understand or not? Agent is created or not? Please confirm me. And see, any diagnostic, you are going to have a log. For that, you are having a diagnostic log and granting the file permission for the agent and everything you did. Finally, what you are going to do, enter to prevent service starting immediately after the configuration is finished. Just simply say yes. The service agent is automatically started successfully. Now, under the AZAI A1 agent, the data will be pushed. Now goes here, go to folder, go to C drive. You see AZ agent is created, a folder is created. Yes or no?
Correct.
In that, you will have all the artifacts. So this, what will happen, once you've done this, you go back to your deployment group. See, mission is online. Mission is online or not? Say yes or no. Guys, please confirm.
Yeah, it is
The
online.
machine is online in this deployment group or not? In the deployment group, eStore project, I have a machine is connected. Now go to release. Now here the challenge. Click on pipeline. Now this is the pipeline. Now when you do a pipeline, go to the Word document. Apply the IIS websiting deployment template. Apply the IIS website deployment template. Now go here. Don't do anything. Just go here in the local itself. Let's do in the local itself. Azure portal. Go triple dot DevOps. Now click on final output. This is the project I'm going to do my release. Now go to pipeline, click on a release. Now in the release, what you are going to do, click new pipeline. When you click new pipeline, you see here, I need to create a template. What is the template they are saying, ma? IIS website deployment. You see IIS website deployment?
Right.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Click apply. Now, once you applied that, you see, I have a job with the task. Now, what is the next step you are doing? Add the classic build pipeline, open the deployment group job, select the deployment VM optionally. That you don't need to have a web tag and all. So add the classic build pipeline as artifact. Now you go here, adding artifact, Azure repo, select the project. What is your project? This is the project. What is your repo? This is the repo. Now, what is your branch? Master branch. Don't do anything. Just click add. So the repo you are getting as an artifact. Now click on this. Again, you need to have one more. What is that? Select the deployment VM. Select the deployment VM. Select development VM and optionally required, not required. So source of the build pipeline is this. Scroll down. Just to say add. So this is your artifacts. This is your deployment. That deployment will go here. Now click on a task. You see IIS deployment, IIS web manage, IIS everything is there or not? Yes or no? See, I build a pipeline. Understand my point? Ashok, are you guys sleeping? Anjali? Prasanna?
No.
Can I move forward?
Yes, yes.
Guys, please tell me, can I move forward or not? Vishal, Anjali, Dheeraj, Prasanna, Srinivas Rao. Can I stop it or we'll move forward?
So we can continue tomorrow.
Come again?
Yeah, tomorrow we can continue from this.
Okay. Let me give only one thing, please, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
I'll complete this deployment. The flow will not stop. So here you go. What is your website name? My application. So come down. Let's first do the final IIS deployment. And deployment group is this one. I have artifacts, everything is created. No managed code application pool. So we need to create this one first. So this is, we have to do it in the machine. So go to the machine, close, close, leave, close. So what you need to do in the machine level, okay, we'll do tomorrow. I don't think everybody can do. Shall we do tomorrow? Can I stop here?
Yeah, okay.
So we have to complete this configuration IIS web development. We have to do this one. And finally, we are going to troubleshoot. We have to deploy it. Automatically, your application will get deployed. We'll do that tomorrow. Don't worry. Clear my point? I'm stopping
Okay.
with the integration. So I'll upload this one in the YouTube. Thank you all. Have a great day.
Thank you.